Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix black screen during phone calls in your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So, at first, at the very beginning, try to removing the screen protector on your iPhone, because it may be the issue if you have your screen protector tough or dirty. Try removing it or cleaning that. And this is the second tip. We can move easily to the second tip. If you have dirty screen or dirty screen protector and you don't want to remove that, wipe it here and near the camera and proximity sensor over here. Clean it here at the top. You don't really have to clean this whole screen, but if you want you can, but clean the top. Now your proximity sensor should work and you won't have the black screen. But what if you do? If you do have some case that can be bulky and causing the screen to interfere in the screen over here, you will see that something is wrong. If you see case touching the screen over here, something's wrong, and I do recommend to remove the remove the case. This should help you actually a lot. But what if it doesn't? The issue might be a lot, as you can see. I have a lot of fixes, but at first I do recommend to force restart your iPhone. Click the volume up, volume down and hold the power button until you see your iPhone goes off and you'll see the Apple logo on the screen. Don't hold any other button, just power button. If you click volume up, volume down and power, just hold the side button. Now you can see Apple logo. We can lower the button. It takes a while, don't worry. Now we have our phone rebooted and now our proximity sensor should work. But what if it doesn't? Now I do recommend to go into the settings and scroll down to general, tap software update, and now here if you have any updates of your iPhone, as you can see I do, which is 10 GB of fixes and bug fixes and is recommended for all users. I do recommend to update your phone immediately because it may have a lot of fixes and it may be related to the proximity sensor. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. I hope it helps you and goodbye.